You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in French. If you want to learn more useful French vocabulary that is used in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you to watch. Promenade is the French pronunciation. So in French, it's the walk itself. When you have a little walk in the evening, just a small little walk for leisure, you're just hanging around, it's a promenade. It's the walk itself. In English, it's either pronounced promenade or promenade. The Americans say it promenade. And in English, it's more the walk itself, like the path. A paved public walk is a promenade. In a seafront promenade, for example. In English, promenade. No, promenade, English, or promenade. Promenade, promenade in French. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.